August 19th, 2019. Jeremy Jackson. I'm pretty sure everybody's getting tired of hearing these videos. I'm getting tired of these trainee protected custody rats going around making up lies about me as well. It's what I heard through, I guess, the grapevine, or whatever you want to, whatever wording you want to use. Bo Stevens is getting one of his Stets trainees, or Shamrock trainees, or whatever, protected custody trainees, to follow me around, correct? I guess trying to make me look like a Tay, a Shay, probably telling people I'm this or that. Really, it's on your nerves. Oh, Bo Stevens, aren't you the protected custody rat that hides behind real shields and uniform? And they're okay with you getting away with this stuff when the real shields and uniform are supposed to be stopping this stuff. So what does that tell me? These uniforms that support Bo Stevens, right? The real shields and uniform that supports him, right? Doing this stuff, that tells me that they're the wolves in sheepdogs clothing. I wonder what type of stuff that you shields and uniform that are wolves in sheepdogs clothing get away with